What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Adventures of Merc. I am super excited to be trying something new today. A few years ago, I visited a coffee farm called Fairview Estate. It's a grand estate filled with lots of trees, a lake, well, a dam. It's a dam. Damn! Lots of flowers, and of course, coffee. This estate is over 100 years old, and the coffee produced is some of the highest grade coffee in the world, sold to some of the most popular brands and coffee houses out there.
It all starts with these nodes here that you can see here. They are going to open up into flowers. Cross-pollination takes place. They wither, they form a pinhead, they form a berry, they form a cherry. That whole process takes 6 to 9 months.
So like I said, I decided to do something new, and I will be coffee painting today. So there are different ways you can go about this. You could choose to have separate containers and mix your different grades of coffee. That's light, medium, dark, and have those different color swatches. But I've just decided I'll go and use the granules straight and kind of mix them to get the grade that I want. So yeah, let's just do this. So once you've got your papers in your desired measurements, the first step is to create borders using masking tape. Cut up a bit of the excess tape and fold the rest to make it neat. Next, we start painting. The first thing is to wash the paper with an initial coat that becomes our background. Ideally, a flat brush would be best for this, but I'm just using the round brushes I have available, and I'll invest in flat brushes later. This first painting is a forest, so let me know how I did. What I found out during this first painting is that, like watercolors, you build and develop your foreground and background with a variation of light and dark pigmentation, and that small brushes will help you develop the details. Also, remember to paint in layers so it's easy to create depth. I think this would have turned out a lot better had I painted that way. Next, I decided to make some bookmarks. Speckled roast is, as the name suggests, a bookmark decorated with speckles of coffee. This is super easy to make and does not require any degree of perfection. It is what you make it. Getting back to the bookmark I previously layered, I decided to paint blotches all over it, varied shapes and sizes as you can see. Then once the painting was dry, I pulled out my pen and drew multiple branches. just remove the masking tape. I love how it turned out. What do you think? I would love to see which one is your favorite, so comment down below. I call this next piece Macchiato because why not? She is a recreation of this piece which I love. Not sure who the original artist is, but credit to them. I really enjoyed the creation of this piece because of how multiple simple strokes can be worked in together to make a beautiful piece. I can imagine this piece in a bigger size, hanging on a bedroom wall surrounded by plants and scented candles, and it can act like a reminder to be the graceful, classy queen you are. This may be a recreation, but I decided to make it my own by giving her an afro. I proudly rock mine, so it just feels right. I also added flowers reminiscent of the bookmark you saw before, so we have a theme going on over here. And that's the painting. And here are all the little creations I made today. Let me know in the comments which one you like most. And also to all the artists, what was your experience like when you painted with coffee? If you have. If you haven't, would you? And what would you paint? Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.